So what we're going to try to do today is to change this mount over here. And I have a whole set of innovative ones that I have to install into the car, but these are going to be a little bit more time consuming, so probably do it on the weekends. So I just want to change this one to see if just changing that mount makes any big difference, because that one is completely ripped out. So I'm going to change that, and one day when I have time, work on installing the precats. So the first thing you do is take this 10mm bolt out. Take this 10mm bolt out. And for this, I'm just gonna pull this up, push it over to the side, so you have access to those two bolts at the bottom. Generally speaking, you could probably leave this in, so we're gonna work our way around it, and then just slowly start taking everything out. Okay, next is you just try to crack these two bolts. These are 14mm. That one at the bottom sticking out, I believe that's a 17. So just crack these two first. Okay, let's see what these are. These should be a 17, but let's double check. Yep, those are 17s. Okay, now we're just gonna crack this one. Generally this bolt is pretty hard to get out, but I already took it out one of the timing belts, so it normally is stuck in, so I had to do it with a whole bunch of anti-seize when I reinstall it. But generally when you take it out, you need to use a lot of WD-40. This bolt, if it freezes in, it'll rip out the threads inside the aluminum housing. Put anti-seize on it so it helps it come out a lot smoother. Next we just take these two out. These are 14s. For these two, we're doing it without having the car jacked up, because these two mounts don't really need, well, this mount doesn't need that much tension on it, so it's not really going to do much. But those two definitely need to have a jack present. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Yeah, that's not supposed to separate. So I knew this one was bad. So that's the reason why I'm just changing this one for now. And then hopefully when I get time, I could just do those other two. And also figure out what I'm gonna do with the pre-cat. So those are 17 at the bottom. I'm just gonna take those out. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Huh. Put this back in the box. At least that bolt. Nasty. Look like oil and anti-seize. So this is the old broken mount. Versus the new innovative mount. Innovative mount, broken OEM mount. So these are her used mount, but well, the brackets are used, but all the bushings are brand new. We had those replaced, so now I just gotta install them. Generally, I'll just try to match it up the same way this came out, which was like that. So it will go in like that. As you see, it's a little bit tapered to one side. So yeah, put it in this way. Okay, there you go. So this is the bolt that came with it. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some anti-seize on this one also. So I took everything back out because I thought it'd be easier just to reassemble it on the ground, which it is. So this is a used set, so it makes it a little bit easier. So now everything's reassembled like that. It's gonna slide her in. So you have enough access to tighten up the bolts, as you can see. Just get 2 wrenches, 19mm. Reinstall these bolts. Those are 17s, so let me just tighten those down. Okay, so this is what I was a little concerned about. So I'm gonna basically, before I tighten everything up, just place all the bolts back in, make sure everything is lined up correctly, and then once that's done, then I could actually just take these back off, tighten these 2 first, this 1 bolt that goes through the whole mount, then tighten these up, and then it should be good. 'Cause right now, just to make sure the bolts I'm putting in are correct. I had to get these. So just, like I said, it's pretty easy to put everything back together. Just drop it in, line it up, and there you go. Those are 19s. Okay, there you go, it's all installed. As you see, no jack was needed. It actually went in pretty simple, even though I took it out a few times, but it's pretty simple to do. Now the only problem is this ground. Hopefully we don't need it, because right now I have nowhere to put it. I moved the ground right here. So far seems sturdy, no issues. Mounts installed, no problem. Very simple install. The hard parts will be getting to that one and that one, but that will be the next show. And driving just with just that one mount installed, you could tell it's already a difference. It's a lot more stable. Yes, another check engine light. That's why I'm revving the car when it's cold. This car is extremely sensitive for some odd reason. But yeah, so far I can definitely see that there's an improvement. Because normally when I'll try to switch gears, it will try to fight me. I could feel the wheel bucking, but right now we don't have any of that. So yeah, it's a good first mount. So when I put the rest on, this should definitely improve the way it drives.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.